Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my nails at home. I do my own gel manicures, so let's get started. Okay, so before I start this video, I just wanted to jump on camera and give you guys a little face-to-face disclaimer. I am not a licensed nail technician. I have never gone to school for manicuring. I'm not a manicurist. I know how to do my own nails because my mother is a licensed cosmetologist and she used to be a manicurist. She did nails for 16 years and she taught me her ways. I also was able to purchase this nail kit that you will see in this video and all the supplies and everything at Cosmoprof. That's where I bought mine. My mom has a Cosmoprof card, so she bought it for me. I'm pretty sure you have to be a licensed professional in order to buy stuff from Cosmoprof. I don't know about other sites or whatever, but I bought my nail kit and supplies at Cosmoprof. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not a licensed professional. I'm not here to teach you how to do your nails. I'm just showing you how I do mine. Okay guys, so if I'm not doing it the correct way, don't freaking at me. Now you know why. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my gel manicure at home. Also, never mind how ugly I look. Today's my day off. I wasn't planning to be on camera, but I did decide to hop on here and give you guys a little disclaimer. But yeah, so yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, these are my natural nails. They're looking a little ratchet right now. As you could see, my old gel polish is starting to chip off on some of my nails, this one included, these two. Also, I just broke my nail right here. I don't know if you could see that, but it has a little chip in the side. But all my other nails are doing pretty good and they're pretty long. I've been doing a really good job at growing them out and taking care of them. I'm gonna try and grow them out a little bit longer and hopefully they don't break. But anyways, first things first, I need to take off this polish. So what I do, or this gel, what I do is I just get a little nail file and I kind of just rough up the top of the gel. I'm very careful that I do not file my real nails. I do not want to file the top of my real nail at all. That's damaging. I'm just roughing up that gel polish so that the acetone can soak in a little bit better. See, if I was a licensed manicurist, I would probably know like better terminology, but I'm not, so just bear with me, you guys. And I'm making sure that I'm really careful that I don't file too far down, or that I don't file that polish too far down, because I don't want to accidentally like file it off and then start filing the nail that's underneath. And I'm not doing this like too perfectly, just kind of basically roughing up the surface of the nail so that that gel polish, it'll be easier to remove the gel polish. Alright, so now I've got the surface of the gel polish all roughed up. Now it's time to soak off the gel polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some cotton balls. I'm going to grab 5 of them. And what I like to do is I just like to rip them in half to make 10, obviously, because I have 10 fingers. And then even though I ripped them in half, I'm going to hold it together as if it's still one. And I'm going to use my 100% acetone nail polish remover. This will remove nail polish and it will also remove acrylics and gel polish. It's kind of stinky. I just bought this at Target, by the way. But I just take the 2 halves of the cotton ball and I hold it together as if it's one. And then I soak the cotton ball in some acetone. Remember, it's 2 pieces. And then I have all of these things, which I bought these on Amazon, and it's so much easier. They're just like almost these little clips, but your finger can like fit. Here, watch, let me show you. So it's like a little clip, but your finger can fit inside and it just stays on. It's just a lot easier than using the foils, because a lot of people will use foil and wrap foil around the nail to hold the cotton ball in place. I find that these work just as good. You just put the cotton ball right inside this little like clip like thing, see? And then you place your nail in there just like so, and it just stays and it holds the cotton ball in place on your finger so that you can soak off the gel polish. So obviously I'm just gonna repeat the process and do this for all my 10 fingers. Okay, so now all my little fingertips are in these little things. Aren't these cool? These are so cool. These are so worth it. They were like $3 on like Amazon, I think. I don't even know what you would call them, but maybe I'll link it down below. But so worth it. So much better than aluminum foil. It's just way quicker. If you do your own gels, I definitely recommend these. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes while while my gel polish soaks off, and then I will be right back to show you what I do next. Okay, you guys, it's been about 10 minutes since I've put these on, so they've been soaking for about 10 minutes, so it's time to take them off and remove the gel polish. So I take one at a time off, and as you can see, it's a little wonky looking. The nail bed looks super dry, but these are the two tools that I use to remove the gel polish. I prefer to use an orange wood stick, which is this one, the wood one. I just feel like it's a little more gentle on the nail, but if I don't have any orange wood sticks, then I'll just use this metal one. But I don't really like to use the metal one because I feel like it's a little harsh. So since I have an orange wood stick today, I'm gonna use this, and basically you just scrape away the gel polish and it just like flakes off. Can you see that? And it should come off really easily. If you have to use force, then it's not ready. If it's not flaking off really easily like that, then you should soak it a little bit longer. And it's kind of hard to do this with all these things on my nails, so if I look a little awkward, it's just because I have all these things on my fingers. So yeah, I just do one at a time, and sometimes, like this one, it's just like gonna fall right off. Like I don't even really have to scrape much. And like I said, you don't want to use any force. You want to be super gentle because you don't want to damage the nail. I know some nail salons can be super rough, but they shouldn't be like that, to be honest. They should be really gentle with your nails, and getting your nails done should never hurt. It's also another reason why I do my nails at home, because I feel like every time I go to the nail salon, except for my nail lady. I just want to give a shout out to my nail lady. Her name is Christina Custom Nails on Instagram. She just did freaking Patrick Starr's nails, by the way. Like, she's a celebrity nail artist, and I've been going to her for probably like 2 or 3 years now. Not consistently, but when I want to get like acrylics done, I go to her, and she is so gentle. She takes good care of my nails. She never cuts me. It never hurts. My nails always look amazing. She's just the best. So I will link her down below, as well as put her name somewhere on the screen if I haven't already. But what I was saying is that getting your nails done at the salon should never hurt. They should never cut you. It should be a relaxing, gentle experience. I know that the majority of the time that's not the case. A lot of nail salons are super aggressive, and I think it's because they work too fast, because they're just more interested in like getting you in and out. They don't really like care to like take their time and be gentle, but they really should be gentle with you, okay? It should never hurt, and they should take their time and be gentle, because you also want to protect your nail, or like, you know, you don't want to damage the nail. So taking your time and being gentle is important. And that's another reason why I do my own nails, because I can take my time and I can, you know, make sure that I'm gentle and that I take care of my nail and that I don't cause any damage. This one's a little bit harder to come off, so when that happens, I'll just pop one of these things back on and I'll just let it soak a little bit longer. Now I'm doing this with my left hand, so it's even more awkward. Yeah, see how the gel polish just gets all flaky? It should just really just flake right off with ease. Okay, so now I have all these like nail shavings from that gel polish that I just scraped off. So what I do is I just kind of scoop it up into a little pile like so, and then I will also take all of these cotton balls. Some of them have the gel polish on it. I'll just throw them into this little pile because I don't want to leave them in these things. You know what I'm doing, right? I'm cleaning as I go so that my little nail station stays clean. And so I take good care of my nail stuff. Okay, and then I put all the little purple things back in their home. And I set those aside, and then I'll get a little tissue and just scoop all of these things into the tissue so I can throw it away. Okay, I'm going to take this buffer, and I'm just going to lightly buff the surface of my nail. This has a really fine grit. I know this is not necessary, but I just like to do this just to get off any excess gel that I might have missed. So I'm just really lightly buffing the surface of my nail And like I said, this has a super fine grit, like almost nothing. Alright, at this time I will also go in and kind of just shape my nails and file them a little bit if needed or if wanted. I don't want to change the shape at all, so I'm just going to lightly file them just so they look a little fresher, a little more fresher. Nothing too dramatic. Also, if I'm not in frame or I'm moving around a lot, I'm so sorry guys. This is my first attempt at a nail video. Could be my last depending on how this goes, but just bear with me you guys. This is my first time. I'm new here, okay? Never done a nail tutorial before. But yeah, at this time I would just file my nails and shape them a little bit. For me, it took me a long time to learn how to like shape my nails. I'm not the best, but I'm not the worst either. But this part definitely takes me a minute. And I like to take my time because these are my natural nails, so if I do them too short, I'm screwed because then I have to wait till they grow out again. So I really like to take my sweet time when filing and shaping my nails. Okay, so after I file and shape my nails, I'm gonna take a little bit of alcohol on a little pad and I'm just going to clean the surface of my nail just to remove any excess oil or dirt or anything that I don't want on the surface. Alright, I'm now going to take the Gelish pH bond and I'm just going to do a quick run over on all of my nails with this. This is not like, oh mine's almost out. This is not like it's not a polish or anything. It's basically like, what is it? It's a dehydrator. It honestly smells like alcohol, so I feel like it might just be alcohol, but it just kind of dehydrates the nail so that everything else sticks on how it's supposed to. Alright, now I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm going to do a quick coat of foundation on all of my nails. And I'm not going to do this too thick. This is just going to be like the base coat. But I do want to make sure that I apply it evenly on all of my nails. Alright, and now I'm going to take my LED gel curing light. I'm going to turn it on and stick my nails in and cure that first layer of foundation. And then obviously I'll do it on my other hand as well. Okay, and the color I'm going to use today is this one. This is the Gelish Soak Off Gel Polish. And this is the color, what color is this? Oh, this is Pink Smoothie. I don't think it's in focus, but this one's called Pink Smoothie. And it's just a nice little pink color. So the key to this, you guys, is thin layers. You do not want to put this on too thick. I find that I get the best results when I work slow and I apply the gel polish in thin layers. Also, don't touch your nails because even after you cure the polish, it's a little bit tacky. So be careful because little fuzzies can get stuck to the polish and you don't want that. It's not a good look. Especially if you don't realize it and then you accidentally cure like a little fuzzy into your nail, then you have like a weird bump. It's not a good look. So the first layer might be a little bit sheer or streaky. That's okay because you're gonna do more than one layer. Also, practice makes perfect, you guys. My friends always ask me how I get my nails to look so good because they look like I got them done by a professional. I've been painting my nails myself for like years, and although my mom did teach me, like honestly, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you'll get. And then of course I'm gonna cure each coat. So every coat that I do from here on out, I'm gonna cure it. I'm gonna do a coat, I'm gonna cure it. I'm gonna do another coat, I'm gonna cure it. I have to cure each coat. I can't do another coat until I cure the one in front of it. Does that make sense? And this machine cures for 45 seconds. Okay, so this is 2 coats of the Pink Smoothie. It's so gorgeous. And I think I only need 2 coats. It feels like it's kind of thick, so I'm only going to do 2 coats. So now I'm going to do the top coat. And for top coat, I'm just going to use the Gelish Structure Gel. This is a translucent pink, so it's not really a clear. It looks like this. Can you guys see that? It looks like this. So because it's not a clear, it might change the color a little bit, but it's gonna act as a top coat. Yeah, it's just gonna make it a little bit darker pink, but I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna give all of my nails one good coat. And you guys, this one's thick, sheet thick. And now I'm going to go ahead and cure the structure gel. Okay, after my nails are done curing, I'm going to take the nail surface cleanse. I just refilled this with alcohol. I think that it was alcohol before, but now there's just some alcohol in here. So I'm going to take the alcohol on a cotton ball. I'm going to soak the cotton ball, and then I'm going to just wipe over the surface of the nail to clean it off. It leaves like a tacky, sticky residue even after you cure it, so you just clean the surface of the nail with this solution, which is, like I said before, just alcohol, regular good old rubbing alcohol. And it's not going to remove the gel polish. The only thing that can remove the gel polish, you guys, is acetone. This is not going to harm all the beautiful work that you just did. But I do make sure that I clean them pretty thoroughly. I don't need this light anymore because I'm done curing my nails. I could put this away. We're almost done. They look beautiful. And you guys, I like to use the structure gel because it is a little bit thicker than the regular top coat. And I feel like since these are just my natural nails, it just helps keep them strong and helps prevent them from breaking and becoming really brittle and fragile. So that's why I personally like to use the structure gel. And then the last step would just be this. This is called Nourish. This is just a cuticle oil. And I just take a little bit of the cuticle oil and just put it right on my cuticles so that my manicure looks nice and pretty, so my hands look healthy, and then I'm all done. And that is it, you guys. That is how I do my gel nails at home. Not too shabby, right? I think they look pretty nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this little nail tutorial. I had a bunch of people asking how I do my nails at home, so now you know. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any suggestions for other types of nail videos that you want to see, or other gels or nail polishes or whatever, things that you want me to try on my own hands. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!